I'm Kate, a Vogel product advisor. Today I'm talking you through some products I like to have at hand if I have a spot outbreak. So first off, I like to have a spray bottle of witch hazel nearby, and I'll spray that on the affected area a couple of times a day. It's a great astringent, so it dries out the spot a little bit quicker. And then for moisturizer, I really like to use the echinacea cream. It's lovely and moisturizing, but it's also got a really nice kind of calming action for troubled skin. And then the last thing I'll have nearby is a stress remedy, so a tincture or a tea of a calming herb. So I really like calming herbs like chamomile, passiflora, valerian, because we all know that it can be really stressful when you have a spot outbreak, but also stress can really worsen an outbreak or a flare up of acne. So it's important to attend to that.